So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see.